Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Eddie, how you doing today, man?
Good, Squeeze. How you doing, man?
I'm doing mighty fine, man. Here inside of the, of course, the work, as you know, doing a lot of it. And but we're here in our studios, and I know you're feeling well. I know you're ready to help a lot of folks out there. And what is it? Would you like to help these folks with again? I mean, is it maybe you're selling clothes or something like that? What are you selling? What are you doing? What do you do, man?
Same thing we've been doing for years. Trying to help people make their lives a little bit more affordable. Because things have gotten very, very expensive out there in the real world. And one of the things that the listeners need to wake up and say, you know what, maybe I know I'm paying too much for oil and gas and utilities and everything else, but maybe I can cut some costs somewhere else. Maybe I can save some money somewhere else in my life. I mean, I know I'm working 1 or 2 jobs and working a lot of hours, but the listeners really have to take notice, especially with the federal government stepping in just recently and making it a lot better to refinance and combine those 2 loans that we couldn't do a month ago that we now can do. A lot of those borrowers that took those piggyback loans a couple of years ago, and there was a need for those loans. However, now is the time to refinance and put yourself into a better situation and save some money each and every month. And by simply calling us, we can evaluate the situation. And we know there's thousands of people in New York that have a first and second mortgage right now.
Well, Eddie, one of the things that we want a lot of folks out there to understand also is the power of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. We don't want people to think that, First Republic Mortgage Bankers is only doing the responding to the FHA limits going up. I want people to understand that no matter what they're doing with real estate financing, okay, they need to come to First Republic Mortgage Bankers. They need to get information from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Yes, you can go elsewhere and all of that stuff and everything, but you must speak with First Republic Mortgage Bankers, because I truly, Eddie, don't want anyone out there in this day and age to lose money. I don't want anyone to be put in an inferior loan, and there are inferior loans out there. And when we say inferior loans, you might be put into a loan that is not for you. And it happened, and it happens, and it has happened. Okay, so we want folks to know that you having well over 13 years of experience in the business, Eddie, okay, you being with First Republic Mortgage Bankers and helping hundreds of people every single month to get the right loan program, I want them to understand that you're physically at the studios right now, as you are every single week, ready to take calls and let these folks know that, hey, listen, you're there, as you have always said, to explain to people what needs to be done. They can weigh their options, okay, take some time, research, and then, of course, you're still going to be there waiting for them. So, Eddie, I don't know, man, but are you truly ready? Because the phone lines are about to be opened up. Are you ready again?
I'm ready, Squeeze. It's been a real great month, and we've been helping out a lot of people. And one other thing I want to mention why I'm here is that we're having a big federal government refinance seminar on the 31st of March at the Brooklyn Marriott at 7 p.m. Yeah, and that way people can come there and go one-on-one right there at the seminar with the loan officer, and they can evaluate your situation right on the spot. Because I know a lot of people have busy lives and they're hard to reach. But we're open 7 days a week, and we're doing a tons of seminars. But the next one that we have at the bank is on the 31st, and that's on a Monday. And it's at 7 p.m. at the Brooklyn Marriott, and that's at 333 Adams Street. So I just wanted all the listeners to know about that seminar coming up.
Right. Once again, folks, I'm speaking with Eddie Albar. He's a loan officer from the direct lender, First Republic Mortgage Bankers. As I share with you each and every single day, always go direct. When there's a middleman, you're paying a little bit more. And of course, folks, also remember that with the direct lender, they offer more loan programs than any other institution that's out there. And right now, also got to remind you, 30-year fixed programs are available at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. It's not just the FHA. There are other programs. There's a conventional programs. What program is right for you? Investigate, okay? People, do your research, do your homework. With that said, I'm going to ask Eddie Albert to take your personal call right this second at the Link Up Radio Studios off the air. Ask him all the questions you want to ask him. Once again, folks, remember, the number is, before I even give the number, what are the APR? Let me drop the number, but I'm going to come back and ask Eddie to give me the APR and the CPTs, of course, for the 5.5 or the FHA. But right now, folks, got to remind you, the number to call right now, because Eddie is about to step out of the studios as soon as he gives the APR. The number is 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555 as Eddie grabbed the APR. And once again, folks, the number is 718-325-5555. Call the studios right now. Speak with Eddie. He wants to show you how, once again, you can refinance your property. Lower your payments. You can do a debt consolidation. Get rid of all of your debt. You can take some cash out of your house. You might want to do some home improvements. You might want to buy another property. And it is a buyer's market, as you heard Levette speaking on that. The number to call once again is 718-325-5555. Eddie Albert will personally take your calls.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.